In the linear function f of 0 equals 8 and f of 1 equals 12, which equation defines f? So right here, when x is 0, so that's x, f of x would have to equal 8. And for that same equation, if x is 1, then f of x would also have to equal 12. So I'm going to guess and check for each function here. So let's test the first one. So when x is 0, f of x would be 8, so that checks out. And when x is 1, let's see, f of x is equal to 12 times 1, that's 12 plus 8, which is not 12, so we'll cross out A. Then for B, I'll use a different color, I'll use red. When x is equal to 0, f of x also equals 0 because 4 times 0 is 0, so which is not 8, so it won't be B either. Now let's try C. I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use blue. When x is 0, f of x is equal to 4 times 0, that's 0, plus 12, so that's 12, which is not equal to 8, so it can't be C. So by default, I think it's going to be D, but let's just double check. So I'll use green for D. So when x is 0, f of x is 4 times 0, that's 0 plus 8, which is 8. Okay, so that's good. X equals 1. F of x is 4 times 1, that's 4 plus 8 is 12. So yeah, that checks out. So our answer is D.